Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about Shopify Store Preferences, which is how we can change meta title, meta description, set up Google Analytics and set up storefront password. For this, go to your admin dashboard and then click on the Online Store tab here in the left sidebar. Now click on the Preferences here. Here you can see we can set up the meta title and meta description here. For example, currently the meta title is homepage, which you can see here. So in order to change this, we can type the meta title here and click on the save button here. Now when we refresh this page, you can see the meta title is changed. We can follow this for the homepage meta description as well here. Now in order to set up the meta image, we can set up the image here by clicking on add image button here. Now in order to set up the Google Analytics, we can click on the setup Google button here. For suppose I just click on the button and it takes me to the button to the install app link here. To set up the Google Analytics, we can click on the install button here and sign into the Google account. For next, we can follow the same process for the Facebook pixel by clicking on the setup Facebook button here. Now as you can see, we have set up the password demo to view the online store front end. Sometimes when our store is not active and we don't want to show our website to publicly, we just set up the store demo or the password here. We can change the demo password and click on the save button here. For example, if I view this website on the incognito tab, it will ask me for the password. So when the third customer view this website, they can only access the website if they have the password. For example, I just copied the password and go to this incognito tab and enter the password here. Here you can see I can access the website once I have the password. Next tab is B2B customers. If our website is totally based for B2B customers, we can check this checkbox here so that user can only access the website if they have account with our website. Last is spam protection. Here we can enable or disable the CAPTCHA for the contact forms or other login, create account and password recovery pages, etc. to protect from the spam. That's all. Thank you for watching it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such content. See you in the next video.